Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study how auxin is able to induce the cell expansion, and that is known as acid growth hypothesis. See here, acid growth hypothesis will explain how auxin is able to induce cell expansion. According to this hypothesis, proton pumps are present which pump the proton out from the cytoplasm into the cell wall. The proton is pumped from the cytoplasm into cell wall. As a result, the pH of the cell wall decreases. Lowering the pH means acidic pH is activating one enzyme that is known as expansin, which will break the hydrogen bond which is present between cellulose microfibril and other cell wall constituent, so that the cell wall become loose and allow the cell wall to expand. Is it clear? So how the auxin is able to do it? Auxin is able to do, first of all, by increasing the synthesis of proton pump, and then second, to guide their insertion into the cell membrane. See here, understand the diagram. This is auxin which is entering inside the cell. This auxin is actually now working as a transcription factor, allowing the proton pump gene to express, means messenger RNA formation is done, which goes into the cytoplasm to form a protein. Is it clear? Translation on the ribosomes. Now this proton pump will actually combine with another protein. So auxin acts with another protein to stabilize the proton pump. Here also auxin is acting and will use this protein to stabilize the proton pump. See here, this structure is made. And then this structure is inserted into the cell membrane to actively pump the proton into the cell wall. The increased proton pump will reduce the pH of the cell wall, means acidification is going on. Now see next diagram. See here, understand this diagram carefully. See, this is the enzyme, okay? You can see here expansin enzyme. They are telling wedge-shaped expansin, red color. Okay, you can see this red color is expansin protein. What it is doing, it is activated when the pH is low, and it will separate cellulose microfibril. This brown color, these cellulose microfibril are separating. How it is achieving this process? It is achieving by breaking the cross-linking which is holding them. See this cross-linking which is holding them, they are got break. Check here. Is it clear? So that new cell wall material can come. Cell wall loosening enzyme will cleave the disaccharide, allowing the cellulose microfibril to slide, and extensibility of cell wall is increased. Water will enter, turgor pressure will increase, and as a result, cell is expand. So I hope so in this video you have understood how the auxin is able to increase the cell length, or how the cell goes for elongation because of the auxin. The hypothesis is acid growth hypothesis. Thanks for watching. I hope this video might be helpful for you.